Chocolate.
2 minutes, 5 ingredients, perfect for your late night munchies. This is a brownie made in a microwave.
My name is Lana, and this is I Love Mug Cakes. Here we make desserts that fit inside of a mug, that you cook inside of a microwave, and that are actually really good. Remember to subscribe and share on this YouTube page below, or wherever you're watching this. So today we're gonna make a brownie. They're like little fudgy pockets of joy. And now you can make them in the microwave. It's also a really forgiving recipe. Make it your brownie. Handful of chopped walnuts, do it.
First put in your egg, then 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, I use canola oil, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and give it all a big mix. Then put in the microwave for about 1 minute and 40 seconds at 700 watts, just until it looks dry. Pull it out. Here it is with a little bit of powdered sugar to make it fancy.
My friend Colin today is joining us.
That's really good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like this. I'm very happy with it.
It's not just the beer I gave you before?
It's not just the beer. It's a very good cake.
Cake time. Oh, that's very dense.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, you're right. It is on that somewhere on the continuum between like brownie and chocolate cake.
Yeah, it's more towards the cake side, but there's a brownie in there.
If you make a mug brownie, make sure to take a photo and tag me on social media. And let me know in the comments what cake I should make next. I will take requests.
Can we get like a kiddie pool in here and just fill it with batter and like romp around in it?
That sounds like it'd be really messy.
But it would also be really fun.
That probably would get a lot of YouTube views.
No.